Hey everyone, this is a short series in which I present my custom filament profiles and the changes that I make to the ones that already come with the Bambu Studio. Also, as a disclaimer going forward, I am using AI voice from Epidemic Sound to clone my own voice due to time constraints. Today we're going to take a closer look at PC-PBT and walk through all the adjustments I've made in both the filament settings and the process settings. These changes will slow the printer way down but nearly guarantee your P, prints come out clean, strong, and dimensionally accurate. No more stringing, no more layer splits, and no more failed parts halfway through. If you'd like to recreate this setup yourself, start by loading your filament and creating a custom profile that inherits from the default generic template. After that, make sure to run your calibrations so everything is dialed in properly. Let's jump right into the settings. Process bridge speed. From 50 millimeters per second to 30 millimeters per second because a slower bridge speed helps reduce sagging. Default acceleration from 10,000 millimeters per second squared to 3,000 millimeters per second squared because gentler acceleration reduces vibrations and improves surface quality. Gap infill speed from 250 millimeters per second to 50 millimeters per second because slowing gap infill improves accuracy and adhesion. Initial layer infill speed from 105 millimeters per second to 50 millimeters per second because a slower first infill helps bond layers securely. Initial layer speed from 50 millimeters per second to 30 millimeters per second because a slower first layer improves overall bed adhesion. Inner wall speed from 300 millimeters per second to 50 millimeters per second because slowing inner walls increases strength and precision. Outer wall acceleration from 5,000 millimeters per second squared to 1,500 millimeters per second squared because reducing acceleration creates smoother outer surfaces. Outer wall speed from 200 millimeters per second to 30 millimeters per second because slow perimeter speed greatly improves visual quality. Overhang speeds 10 to 100% from 50-30 and 10 millimeters per second to 15 millimeters per second because using a consistent slow speed keeps overhang stable. Small perimeter speed from 50% to 30 millimeters per second because reducing speed on small details improves accuracy. Sparse infill speed from 270 millimeters per second to 60 millimeters per second because slower infill promotes better interlayer bonding. Support interface speed from 80 millimeters per second to 40 millimeters per second because slower interface layers give a smoother support contact surface. Support speed from 150 millimeters per second to 60 millimeters per second because reducing support speed improves print reliability. Top surface acceleration from 2000 millimeters per second squared to 1000 millimeters per second squared because lower acceleration makes top layers cleaner. Top surface speed from 200 millimeters per second to 30 millimeters per second because a slow top surface results in a better finish. Travel acceleration from 10,000 millimeters per second squared to 4,000 millimeters per second squared because softer travel moves reduce ringing and noise. Travel speed from 500 millimeters per second to 250 millimeters per second because reducing travel speed helps prevent stringing. Vertical shell speed from 80% to 50% because slower shell speed improves consistency of sidewalls. Filament force cooling overhangs and bridges from disabled to enabled because activating fan cooling helps critical features solidify faster. Minimum layer time from 30 seconds to 15 seconds because a shorter time speeds up small layers while still allowing cooling. Minimum fan speed from 20% to 10% because less airflow reduces the risk of warping delicate sections. Maximum fan speed from 20% to 40% because higher fan speed improves overhang performance. Fan speed for overhangs from 40% to 60% because stronger cooling stabilizes steep overhangs. Minimum print speed from 20 millimeters per second to 10 millimeters per second because a slower minimum speed improves cooling time on tiny layers. The retraction speed from 20 millimeters per second to 30 millimeters per second because faster deretraction reduces blobs and delays. Retraction length from 0.8 millimeters to 2 millimeters because the longer pullback prevents oozing and stringing. Retraction speed from 25 millimeters per second to 40 millimeters per second because faster retraction helps cleanly break the filament. POS hop from 0.6 millimeters to 1 millimeter because increasing lift avoids nozzle collisions with printed parts. Volumetric speed limit from 18 cubic millimeters per second to 12 cubic millimeters per second because lowering maximum flow prevents under extrusion. Initial bed temperature from 110 Celsius to 100 Celsius because a slightly cooler bed prevents oversticking. Nozzle temperature, other layers, from 250 Celsius to 245 Celsius because lowering temperature reduces stringing during normal layers. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit. And if you'd like to see more profiles and tips like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.